Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Trading is here for our final trade of the day. And Joe, what are you looking at today?
Yeah, I'm looking at the Barclays TLT. That's the 20-year Treasury note. It's an ETF that tracks the 20-year Treasuries of the U.S. And I'm looking at a stock replacement strategy. So a lot of people own the Treasury looking to get a little bit of a bond yield, a protection of the portfolio. For me, right now, it's yielding 2.68%. It's good that it's have protection, it's the bond protection against the stocks, but 2.68% really doesn't cut any mustard. I'd like to enhance that yield. I can do that in a stock replacement strategy by selling a put.
How do you sell a put? That might sound complicated to some people, but this is an option strategy a lot of people are starting to use.
Sure. So it would cost $121 to buy this stock. I can keep that cash in my account and sell the put. So it's a stock replacement. I have cash in my account instead of the stock, and my yield, instead of being a dividend coming from the stock, it'll be coming from the option expiring worthless.
So how much are you taking in then?
Sure. So for right now, I'm looking at the Feb 117 call. Or put, I'm sorry, and that'll collect 63 cents for the next 35 days. If you do that every month for the course of the year, you yield over 5%, which is a great way to increase your yield in a bond portfolio. And obviously, you won't have any downside until the TLT falls below 117.
What do you think about treasuries? Do you think that yields will rise this year with all the Fed moves that are expected?
Yeah, I do think that yields will rise. The big question is how much and how fast. People are saying 2 to 3 this year. If it's more, that could cause this TLT to go lower, and if it does go below 117, then I will be put to the stock. In that case, I will just own the stock and I will receive that dividend. At that point, what do? I sell a call, continue to collect some premium.
Also known as a covered call strategy.
Absolutely, and they'll put it all together with the put, then turn into a call. It's an overlay option strategy where you can sell puts and then turn it into owning stock and then selling calls.
And for someone who's not interested in doing an options play, but they just want to know what's on your trader mind as far as the importance of having treasuries and bonds in your portfolio right now, what do you think about that, Joe?
Yeah, well, it's always good to have a balanced portfolio, to have a little diversification where you can have some stocks and some fixed income. Usually they tend to move in opposite directions, so it's good to have that protection.
Thank you for coming on the show and your Trader Insights.
Thanks for having me.